Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 22nd of September 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the upcoming expiry on the 27th. This is September 2024. Now last week I didn't make a video, so this is from 2 weeks ago, and this is from 2 weeks ago. These are all updated to 1 week ago. So the max OI level is 250 going up from 235. Max OI level for PE is 235 going up from 200. Quantity for CE is 45,460. PE's quantity is 9,927. That's two positives. Quantity change is higher for CE. That's positive. Short squeeze is higher for CE. That's positive. PCR is below 1. That's negative. Implied and historical volatility are lowest. That's two positives. RSI is higher. That's a positive. Oh, this isn't updated. No divergence, that's positive. ADX is higher, that's negative. ATR is lower, that's positive. EMAs are both higher, that's two positive. VWAP is higher, positive. Pivot point is positive. Both candlesticks bullish, that's positive. Overall, the new support is 235. Previous week's support was 200. The resistance was 250, and the previous week's resistance was 235. Overall, the prediction is that Tesla goes up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.